So on the previous problem, you had to find the exact answer. That's putting the pi symbol in. But we're not going to do that on this problem. We actually have to find the approximate answer, which means we need to use the pi button on your calculator. So what you're going to do is type in 36 and then hit the pi button. And you should end up with something like 113.097 ... There's many numbers that come after that. But we need to round to the nearest tenth. So instead of 113.097, it's going to equal 113.1. And that is the end number you should be entering into assessments.